So far, we have been working on sections of our song. This is standard practice, but the downside is that these sections are not yet coherent and consistent with each other. Now, let's work on that. Listen to the parts of the song where sections change, instruments come and go, and revise your levels for consistency. One important tool that can help at this point is volume automation. When you start mixing a song, you set the levels for your track in a general sense, but music constantly changes and evolves, so a volume setting that's perfect at one point may be wrong for another point. We fixed that with automation. It's a time-consuming process, but well worth it. The more you work on automating your tracks, the more organic and dynamic your mixes will become. Go through your mix and listen carefully for moments where an important element is masked by something in the background. The crash at the end of a drum fill may mask the first syllables of the vocal in the next section of the song, for example. Find such problem areas and fix them with automation. I'll show you how to implement automation right now. One common use for volume automation is to turn down things that we already heard before to make room for new material. For example, here on measure 66, when distorted guitars and synth come in, we can turn down the strings because we already heard it for 16 measures and our ears won't miss it if we turn it down by a couple of decibels. So select strings, open the left panel, go to the fader. It's actually the same fader as you would see on the mixer right here. It's the same thing. Go to the fader and activate W or write automation. Now go back a few measures and pull down the fader going into measure 66. Cubase will remember your move and you can fine-tune it later. See, Cubase opened a new automation lane here and recorded my move right here. Now I can easily fine-tune this by using the pencil tool, the line tool, or any of the other tools available here. Go through your mix and look for spots where you can discreetly turn down an element to make room for another.